Hello my people, mi naitwa Kasango Junior, the agronomist by profession. Today I wanna like to tuongelele mambo na poultry farming, poultry production, that is ukulima wa ndege. Now kuna hii ukulima inakuwa very profit, inakuleta pesa, ina accumulate, but it requires just a small capital. That is, if you understand what is poultry and birds, rearing of birds, it will give you a lot of money. Today I want to discuss this poultry production, birds especially. Now, I will start by introduction, and before we start, I'd like you subscribe for my channel, like. Baada ya hii session, I would like to get your comment. How was it? Thank you. Now, kuna the study itself, mambo na birds, the study of the birds everywhere. It's called apiculture. Now, why do we keep birds? Some people keep birds for commercial, na wengine wana keep just for non-commercial. Sisi birds, just they don't want to sell, they are not looking for money, but they are just looking for their meat. So that's the point, huh? You can note it. Now, what are the just features? Why do you keep bono ule kuku at this generation? Now we are hunting. Now, kuna hii upungufu wa the decrease of land, it has cost a lot. Now, if you have a land, you can keep it and you will get a lot of profit, because now the land has become small. Unapata watu wengi, shamba imekuwa kidogo, watu wamegawanya, wameuza mashamba, but ukipata a piece of that, just keep it. Actually, it requires just a small land kuweka kuku wengi. Next, kwa nini uweke kuku? Increase in human population, watu wameongezeka. Watu wameongezeka na hao wame create that demand. You see, wame create that demand, but hiyo space hakuna. So if you get that chance of keeping of birds, you are lucky enough. Now, living standard zimekuwa juu. People, they want to go in KFC kukula moso white meat. Kuku ni birds are just a classification of white meat. Now, kuna next, less labor. Inajua kazi ya kulea kuku haitaki kazi mingi, it requires just less labor. Kuna less labor, utaki kazi mingi kama kukuza wanyama wengine. Kuku tu ni kufungia, pia chakula, pia maji, pia dawa, kuisha. Kuna high return profitability. Imagine ulisha kuku moja atage mayai 15. At the end of 21 days ana hatch 21 chicks within 21 days. Ng'ombe ana take 1 here. Mbuzi ana take the time longer than. So kulea poultry inakupea profit na high return haraka ukilinganisha in due time, in a short time. Now, what are the importance of kulisha? Sasa kuwalisha, hata wengine wanatumia kama ornaments, just kuwaona kwa nyumba. There are some importance of poultry in Kenya. Kuna high capital return in just small time. Haitaki shamba kubwa kukuza, etc. Now, kuna causes of stress. Kuku, kuna some causes of stress. How can you avoid? Now, because of stress, you can lower the profitability, even the production of poultry farm. What are these stress? Kuna stress, one of the stress, it is inadequate management facilities. Umejenga nyumba na bado inaingiza baridi. What do you expect? Facilities. iko chini, au kuku anagojeka homa. Of course, when anybody, even the human being, when it goes sick, the profitability goes down, the production goes down. Next, kuna sudden change of the feed. At least you should not change a product ama feed just straight. What you do, unachukua just the previous portion and what you want to give it, una mix one day half, next day after 2 days unapea ile ulikuwa umeacha previous, unaipea quarter, hii ingine unaweka 3/4, you mix up, then after 3 days you give them. Anyway, ukiwapea hivyo watakuwa na shida ya tumbo, wataanza kukaa ni kama wamelalala, so you have to check, that is a stress. Kuna irregularities in light and feeding schedules. Unapea chakula, haujui time ya kupea chakula. Mwingine anapea asubuhi saa 5, saa 10, saa 1. Kesho unapea saa 5. No, kesho kutu unapea maji. Vitu irregular. You should have a schedule. When are you supposed to give your birds food na water? When you have a clean time on dot, you should give them. Anyway, any changes of giving that, ulikuwa inakula saa 10, ilikuwa inakula saa 10, umeipea saa 7, will affect because they have expected the food on that time that you have trained them. Kuna inadequate ventilation leading to lack of oxygen. Kuku wakijifungia mahali pamoja wanaleta shida. That heat, tena kuku wako chini, heat iko juu, oxygen. Of course, hiyo heat wana accumulate mahali pamoja, wanajifungania mahali pamoja, the same case, oxygen inaenda chini. Kuna shift in birds. Huwezi beba kuku hivi, you have to get a right criteria to shift your birds. Kuna poor handling during management practices like depeaking causes stress. Wakati una depeak, hiyo ni kukata mdomo. So when they are eating eggs, una depeak. Poor handling, how? Umekata ikaanza kubleed, that is can cause a stress. That is one of stress. Kuna temperature stress. Nyumba imeingiza joto mingi sana, unapata kuku wote. Moso kwa wale wakulima wanatumia zile bulbs, unateremsha sana chicks, unawateremsha sana, unaona wamepata joto hadi wanaenda kukimbia kwa to the corner, wanaumizana such that ule badako kwa kona anafinywa na wale wengine wako huko kando, that can cause even injuries. There is a lot of noise. Nyumba ya kuku unafaa kujenga away from mahali kuna barabara, magari zinapita, they don't like. Anyway, watashtuka. Most of those are the exotic breeds, they will get stress, na hapo ndo utapata mayai inapungua. Next ni inadequate water. Maji ni very important, even to human being. Water is very important to enhance metabolism. Kuna presence of predators, that is ingos. The moment ameingia, ama snake, the moment tu ameingia kwa nyumba yake, it will just, watashtuka, wengine wakufe, wengine waache kutaga, wengine tu wakufe out of just that stress. Ingos, they can create a stress kwa nyumba in the moment to they enter. Kuna presence of strangers. Nyumba yako, whenever you have created that house, you should not allow strangers to enter in the room, because the birds themselves, they will treat a stranger as a predator. You see, so they will assume the stranger amekuja kuwaua ama kuwachukua, kuwahamisha, so they will get stress out of that. But wakikuzoea, they are friendly such that hata wakati unaweka maji, chakula, wanakaribia because you are the owner, they know you. But ukileta stranger, stress kabisa. Now, kuna factors that influence profitability in poultry enterprise. Ni nini cha kuangalia ndio upate profit? Factors to consider whenever just you want a profit, these are the factors. Cost of input. The input includes cost of chicks, drugs, electricity and feeds. Ukitaka kupata profit kwa kuku farm, that is birds farm, lazima uangalie bei, the cost of chicks. Unanunua pesa ngapi? Au chicks ukipeleka kwa market utauza pesa ngapi? The cost of drugs. Usinunue kuku moso the indigenous, usinunue dawa expensive yenye imepita the cost of cook. So you have to get even the number. Unaweza nunulianga kuku wawili dawa very expensive but you will not give the return. Unless you want to keep it as ornamental, you can buy that expensive. There is electricity and feeds. Chakula unanunua very expensive, kuku hawana hiyo profit, so you have to consider what you are buying and what you are going to sell. Kuna size of the flock. Large flock is profitable due to efficiency and utilization of labor. Naona kuku wawili huwezi linganisha na kulisha kuku 100, manake chakula wanatumia pamoja. Kuku chakula unanunua, it's commercial, provision of electricity, but when you keep the large number of birds, they will give you input. Manake utapata wengi, they multiply, wengine watagaramia what you are buying. Kuna disease risk factors, because lazima uepuke magonjwa yanayo affect birds. You have to escape this disease because they will cost you on drug buying. And whenever you buy something, you count it as one minus the profit, that it will deduct the profit, maximum profit that you are going to get. Kuna efficiency in marketing. Poultry produce products. Poultry like eggs are perishable and storage are longer periods. For longer periods without proper storage facility leads to production losses. Now, efficiency of marketing. Whenever you keep these birds, most layers, you should have a ready market, so that whenever they hatch, you take to the market most eggs for consumption or for whenever the buyer want to do, because the moment unaziweka kwa nyumba napata mayai as it goes inakaa ndo inaharibika. Haifai kuweka mayai for long kwa store. Kuna management. Proper management reduces cost of. Lazima ukuwe na good management practices so that you can have high profit. Anyway, poor management practices, that is kama upei madawa, chakula ni ile haina nutritions, how will they gain weight? Upei maji, upei madawa, nyumba ni ile tu, no ventilation, there is a lot of it, so you have to check. Next we have to discuss, kuna classification. Kuna tofauti, kuna watu wanalisha kuku, kuna layers, kuna watu wanalisha kuku just for eggs, kuna broilers, they are people who keeps for meat, na kuna duo, they are people who keeps just for the food purpose. Moso the kienyeji one, indigenous, because of reproduction, no? Wanazana, you want to get the indigenous breeder. Now there is a terms in poultry, and before we continue, my friends, my people, kindly subscribe hapo kwa channel yangu, useme tu tunaendelea aje, like ukipenda tunaendelea. Kuna chicks, these are the young. For those who don't know chicks, these are the young poultry. Kuna pellets, a mature hen. Pullet, a mature hen that can lay anytime. Ule kuku wa kike mwenye anaweza taga wakati wote ashakomaa. Kuna cockerel, a mature male that can fertilize. Kuku wa kiume mwenye anaweza fertilize an egg. Kuna hen, it's a mature female. Kuna broiler for meat. Kuna capon, sterilize cock mwenye ana uwezo wa kufertilize an egg. Now, kuna hizi ningependa tuongelelee mambo na poultry hybrids. What is a hybrid? What is the term hybrid means? It is a cross between two breeds which has good characteristics of two parents. Yani kuchanganya hii breed na hii ingine wenye wako na good characteristics that you are looking in your farm. Labda kuku wako kona shida ya kutaga mayai, ile breed uko nayo iko na shida ya kutaga. What do you do to improve that? You have to look at kiume yenye kuna hiyo characteristics ya kusaidia fertilization. Anyway, you can change the whole farm, ulete wengine, but to change that breed, utaangalia ile breed na kupea what you want. Maybe you are looking at weight gain, you are looking at egg lay, maybe you are looking for anyway disease resistant. Kuna breeds zingine unapata zinangojeka, so you have to be keen when you are selecting a breed. Now, what are these selecting? You have to look for what are the factors when you are selecting an hybrid. Health of a bird. Health of bird ni magonjwa. Of course, when you are looking at bird, lazima uangalie kwa nini bird anangojeka. Anyway, ukiweka kuku anangojeka, that's a problem. Utashinda kununua madawa. Kuna weight of egg production. Kuna kuku wengine, breeds zingine unapata mayai ni kidogo sana. So, what do? Angalia wale kuku mayai iko the right size that you desire to have. This factor you have to consider when you are buying. That's breed. Unaangalia breeds. We are going to discuss the breeds that are good in what you like to know. Wando unajua hatchability. Kuna kuku wengine they are poor in hatching. Today ana hatch, anakaa 2 days hatch is not there. Unaona? Hatchability, that is eggs hatchability, sorry. That's hatchability. Alali mayai. So you have to provide incubator. So inakucost. What do? Change the breed. Age at coming to lay. Lazima uangalie. Kuna wengine wana take too long in a farm to come to lay. Unaona, anakula chakula, anakunywa madawa, but the time of to produce ama to give the product inakuwa short. Jua anashakoma. Kuna annual egg production. Huyu kuku in annual kwa mwaka anakutajia mayai ngapi? Lazima uangalie huyu kuku anataga mayai aje. Kuna wengine wanataga kidogo sana kulingana zile input umemwekea. Unatumia pesa yako kununua, yes, but hakuna kitu unapata. Kuna daily life weight gain. Weight gain, lazima uangalie progress ya. Is it giving what you want? More so for meat. Mature weight gain, lazima uangalie huyu anakomaanga more so for those who want to commercial. Huyu akikomaa anafaa kuwa na kilo ngapi? Because more so meat of poultry, they are just weight, they are bought with a weight. So you have to angalia. Kuna efficiency of food conservation. Lazima uangalie chakula na is it utilized as you give. Kuna next. Kuna roles of hatcheries. This is zenye zinatumika kwa kuachisha chicks. Keep the parent stock for the production of commercial hybrids. They sell a day-old chicks to a farmer. Hatcheries wenye wanakuza. Lazima unipange wewe unaweka uuze, munafanya nini? So you have to classify yourself. Kuna system of poultry farming. Kuna system, and these are the system extensive, kuna semi extensive, kuna intensive. Now, what are the extensive ama outdoor? In hao ni wale kuku unaamka asubuhi, unafungulia, unaacha wanaenda kujitafutia chakula. That is extensive. You don't have to buy chakula unatufungulia waende wajitafutie chakula. These are the extensive. This is the simplest system of rearing chicks. Birds are allowed to move freely in fenced ground. Wanaachiliwa tu, unawaachilia wanatembea, wanatafuta chakula. Kuna ingine at time is a simple house profit. Si lazima utafute ile nyumba ati you provide everything, because they are resistant even kwa baridi na magonjwa. They are free. They are adapted to the environment. So cost of madawa vitu mingi they are a bit lower. The house should possess enough space and good ventilation, proper protection from predator. Hata wakitoka nje lazima uprovide a good condition house. Kwa nini? What are the advantages of free range? Kwa nini mazuri ya kuachilia? The importance of free range system. Cheap. It's cheap. Ununue chakula. It can feed on grass. Inaweza kula zile nyasi tu umepanda like carpet grass, so you don't have to buy too much food. No need for provide for grit, as they can pick it from the soil. Si lazima utafute hizi za kusaidia materials za kusaidia in digestion, or they can even kwa changarawe zinasaidia zikienda ku scratch on sand soil, zikikula hizo products zinasaidia. Nutrition deficiency of mineral is rare because they will eat. Si kama ile unaenda unapea chakula moja leo, kesho ingine. You see, kesho the same. Now, when ukiwaachilia, they will take a balanced food. So, deficiency ya chakula iko chini, manake anakula ingine, so they are balanced. Kuachilia kuku is very good. Mature is evenly spread for more vegetative growth. What are the disadvantages? But how can you solve it? Kuna disadvantage, birds are exposed for predators. The moment tu unawafungulia wanaenda na mwewe. A lot of lands is needed. For them to let them go outside, you have to get a land for them to loiter. Birds lay eggs everywhere, hence egg can break. The moment tu umewaachilia, mayai zinaachiwa popote pale, anataga tu kwa fence, zingine unaokota nyumba huko nyuma kwa nyumba, wengine unapata kwa jiko, everywhere. They don't have a specific place where they can hatch. Now we shall talk about poultry breeds. What are these poultry breeds? Lazima uangalie, as we have talked there earlier, breeds, you have to consider what do you want. Now, according to the characteristics of breeds, kuna different, and they perform different. They perform differently. They perform different according to their breeds and their characteristics. And kindly, my people, unaweza subscribe hapo. Napenda kusikia your comments. Basi kwaje? I'm still an agronomist by profession. In case you want to keep this poultry farm, unaweza niita tuongee, tupange kila kitu, nyumba yake, management. Nikwambie hivi inafanyangwa hivi. I'm well professional. My profession in agriculture. So, what are these kind of breeds? Kuna moja inaitwa, kuna number 1. Number 1 they called Roda Islam. Number 2 kuna breed inaitwa Light Sussex. Kuna number 3. These are kind of Shire Red. Kuna number 4 the Black Strallop. Number 5 the Leghorns Bragel light breeds. So these are the kind of the breeds I like we discuss. Hao ni wale extensive wenye wanaweza vumilia kukaa nje. Now, what are the characteristics of Rhode Island? It is a dual purpose breed. You can keep for layers and you can keep both for layer and meat. It can either be kept as a broiler or as originated in America. With yellow skin, cockerels weight 4 kg. Cockerels, they weigh 4 kg and pullet 3 kg. Next, Light Sussex, a British breed, white in color. They are white in color. Can be used as a dual purpose but it can also smaller eggs. They produce a small eggs. Unaweza weka kwa nyama mayai, but kwa mayai they produce small eggs. So they are good in meat. You choose now. Weight for cockerels wanaume za kiume ni 4.5 kg, za kike 3 kg, maximum weight they can gain. Kuna Hampshire Red, originate from American, light red in color, heavy and mature fast. Za kiume 4.5 kg, za kike 3.5 kg. Kuna hii inajiita the Black Strallop. Wametoka Australia. They originate from Australia. It has black plumage with a greenish sheen. Hen lay fewer eggs. So whenever you get a point of ikona less, kindly avoid that breed in that characteristic. So this they are poor in egg because they lay small eggs. Now na mdogo sana. Za kiume cockerels weighs 4 kg. Za kike pullets weigh 3 kg. The Leghorns light originate from British. It has a white color, brown, black, squares and blue. They are medium sized birds. Wedge shape. It has a plenty of width and depth, tapering. The female has a large cob with a flop over there. Zile zinaangusha kinyama hapa mbele. Now, with that, kuna semi wenye they are both you can keep for extensive system na intensive you unaweza fungia. We are still continuing, my people. Tunaweza ongelelea a lot of farm. These are the kind of products we are looking. Actually, we want to make money in birds. Kindly kuwa macho hapa. You are a student there. You want to know what are these breeds and their characteristics? What are the importances? Why do you keep? You are a farmer. You are looking for a good meat bird yenye itakukula pesa mingi. So kindly, as I'm wrapping, unaweza subscribe my people there. This is my class. I'm Kasango Junior. Kindly subscribe, and your subscription, it will give me, itanipea motisha ya kuendelea. Subscribe my people, subscribe there, na nitafurahi, tashukuru. Kuna same intensive system. Semi intensive system. There are two. Kuna run system, kuna fold unit system. You can make some short notes in my class. Now, what are these run system? I'm talking of this run system. Birds are kept in a house surrounded by fenced areas. Yes. Nyumba ambayo umezungushia a fence. They roam the compound and stay in the house at night. Wanalala kwa nyumba, hawatoki. The distance is restricted by a fence. Kuna fold unit. It includes portable house. Zile unaweza inua nyumba upeleke mahali kwingine, upeleke ikikula hapo unahamisha kwingine. Also when you are looking for a light, ama jua ikikuwa kali umewafungia somewhere, so jua ikikuwa mingi unabeba unapeleka next. Kuna shade. They are not moving out of that, but you are moving them with their cage. Birds spend their day in the house because they are, unawabeba na hiyo nyumba yake whenever you want to carry them. The house is moved every day to a fresh area so as to provide a fresh area for birds to feed. For hygienic purpose, mambo na uchafu, wakitoa uchafu yake amisha. Uchafu inaleta shida. To spread manure to the area. Sasa, so hiyo ndo folder. Next, what are these advantages? Kwa nini hii the advantages of this? Hii unabeba unaweka kwingine, jua ikitokea unatoa unapeleka kwingine, wakikula ile nyasi ulikuwa umeweka hapo. What are the advantages? Manure is spread evenly. Unapata ile uchafu wanatoa, the moment tu unawahamisha, una distribute as well. Less feed it's needed. Chakula, unapata chakula the moment tu unawahamisha. Kama chakula wanapenda unapea nyasi, so unawahamisha, wakikula hiyo nyasi iko hapo indidi napeleka kwingine. Kuna reduce build up of parasite, umewafungia so they are not exposed to magonjwa. Better protection of birds, ukusha wafungia si hakuna magonjwa itatokea. Control grazing, si ile anakula hapo, mwingine anakula hapo, wanachanisha hawajamaliza. So you utilize to the maximum the feed that you have in the compound. Suitable for commercial production. Now next we shall discuss on intensive. This is mahali unafungia kuku wako, hawatoki. Chakula unapea kwa nyumba yake, chakula unawapea kwa nyumba, hawatoki. Hawatoki. And is my people, hizi nyumba zake zote kwa zenye zote unaona hapa, we shall come to discuss on their houses and their cage. Zote tutachora. Even if you want to see one, tunatengeneza, tunapea, tunaongea. I'm an agronomist. We get that structure, I give you, we locate it where it should, because si kila mahali unaweza weka nyumba ya kuku. There are factors you should look when you are locating a house of birds. People get that. Now there kuna kind of them. As we are discussing, as we are continuing, kindly peoples unaweza support na your subscription. Kuna moja inaitwa run system. What is the run system? Run system, birds are kept in house surrounded by house. Kuna moja inaitwa deep litter system. What is deep litter system? Consists of house floor is made of remained earth on concrete and then litter is spread. Unaweka concrete, unajenga concrete na unaekelea litter juu ya baridi kwa miguu to control that effect. That is, hiyo unajenga, unawafungia concrete paraphrase and it's wet in wet place. It is preferred in wet places. Mali kuna baridi lazima uwekelee hiyo uchafu juu ya baridi, wasilete baridi kwa kuku. These factors you should consider when you are constructing this deep litter system cage. Proper ventilation, lazima nyumba ikuwe inaingiza hewa. The litter should be kept 15 to 30 centimeters deep. The floor space required should be 1 meter deep. 1 meter square should serve only 2 or 3 birds. That is kwa nyumba unatengeneza, so you should calculate your area that you are constructed. You calculate per meter should serve the maximum of 3 birds. The floor space requirement should be at roasting for the birds to rest on and end should be 22 to 30 centimeters birds. That is, water and feeder should be included and they should be suspended above the litter at the height approximately of level with back of birds lazima uinue. Kwa nini? Uchafu, wasichafue. So wanachukulia hapo maji. Anyway, ukiweka chini they will mix with water, will be mixed with uchafu zao, their waste materials. That is hanging wall. Hanging wall prevents contamination and discourages the birds from dispatching in them. Lay next are required. The places of mahali wanatagia mayai you should place, na watajua ukitengeneza tu they will have their place for. Anyway, ukikosa kuweka those next utapata wametagia on the floor, wamekanyanga, wamechafua. In the moment they have wamechafua hizo mayai, the quality of eggs goes down. Now the next should serve only one. Next can be individual or communal. At least you should provide many to serve the less number of birds. Anyway, ukiweka moja na kuku ni wengi utapata kuna challenge. What are these advantages of this deep litter? Mahali unafungia nyumba constant, hakuna kutoka nje, hakuna kwenda mahali. Birds, many birds you can keep many birds in a small area. Low labor, hakuna kazi mingi. Birds are safer from predators. Less loss of eggs, hakuna kupotea kwa mayai. Fast accumulation of manure zote ziko mahali pamoja, hakuna ile spreading ati unaenda ukiokota. It's a good system for rearing of breeding stock. Yeah, that is. Now kuna this another intensive inajiita battery cage. Yeah, what is battery cage? A system where birds are totally confined in a cage made of wire mesh. Each accommodates between 1 to 3 birds. Cages are arranged in rows and the rows are arranged in chairs. We shall see the structure of a battery cage deep litter system. So follow my channel, subscribe. We shall draw these structures as well. We shall be able to get the right structure of each and every what we are talking here. Kuku unawajengea, unaweka wire mesh instead sasa ya ukuta, unaweka wire mesh, so kuna free air, hakuna hii mambo ya kujifungia mahali pamoja. It is well ventilated area. What are the advantages of battery cage? Most efficient system because the high egg production and feed conservation. The moment they are free, so they will be able, hakuna stress, so the egg production iko sawa, chakula conservation iko sawa. Little land is required. It has a high stock rate. The moment umesikia you are constructing something na hakuna kutoka nje, so you can, hakuna ile kuachilia, so you don't need a land so that they can go and feed. You are giving food in their cages, so utagi shamba kubwa. Kuna record keeping, si ati unaenda unaangalia kwa shamba ati wakicheka una count. You see them, you can count them, so there is good record keeping. It is labor saving, especially if equipment can be automated. Hakuna haja ya kuajiri watu ati kwenda utafute chakula. No, umewafungia. There is no need for utafuta mtu wa provision of enda kata nyasi. Chakula unapea, maji una set a system ya kupea maji. Kuna inaitwa chick nipples and cups, una set, kuna channel inapita kwa nyumba zake. We shall see how we can construct and we shall draw it how it works. So just follow my channel, we'll get a lot in that. Kuna eggs are clean. The moment umesikia wire mesh, so inamaanisha kuna space, uchafu inaenda chini, inaanguka. So hata wakitaga mayai haichafuliwi na uchafu za kuku. Feeds and water are not contaminated by the birds because there is a way. Unafanya piping, unatengeneza cups. Hizi cups zinakunywa maji na chakula unaweka. Kuna mahali unaweka chakula wanakunywa. So wanapandisha kichwa, wanakula na wanakunywa. So asi atukuwekelea kwa mahali wanachafua. The system itself, it's automated. No need for placing contaminated area. Now, cannibalism and egg eating are reduced. Hii mambo ya kukula mayai unamaliza whenever you construct this petri cage. It's used for system where land is expensive and labor is scarce. Mali kazi inatakikana ya pesa mingi, management it's high. Mali hakuna shamba, so you can construct this cage for free and you are allowed to do your farming. So guys, keep subscribe to my channel and comment what you have learned. Ask anything, we shall be discussing. You are free to ask any question in my channel and we shall discuss. I will give you a feedback. Anything that you want we discuss. I have everything according to what you want. I will provide all things that you want. Chochote unataka tu discuss ikuwe ni nini, as long as it's agriculture. I'm an agronomist by profession. I like, follow me back, just subscribe, like my work, I will appreciate. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being in my teaching. I appreciate. Usisahau na kusubscribe.